So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a garbage disposal here. It's a 1/3 horsepower Badger 1, straight out of Ferguson. And we gave you a new hose too, so that 7/8 discharge hose right there was blocked, so we just gave you a new one up to the air gap. That's the existing air gap over there. Everything else is yours, so just the disposal, that's ours. Came with a new line cord, so that's plugged in. We tested it, everything sounds good. Not real thrilled with the coupling back here, but hey, not our project, so. But everything looks good here. You still have a conflict with the hose. That weight is hitting, but there's so much plumbing back there, there's not much you can do. We raised the weight up a little bit. One of the screws are missing on the weight, so it may not stay right there. But anyways, our project was the disposal, and we did notice a lot of water up here on the countertop. So if you can, unless you have a leak here, like either a leak at the cartridge or a leak at the base, a lot of water up here, but as you can see, your grout line is cracking back here. Too much water, it's going to get back in there and down in your cabinet area, and then you got water damage or mold. Same thing here, one hole, one hole, and so you want to keep water to a minimum up there, and then also monitor this line right here. When they put these in place, they silicone that in, so just monitor that, make sure that it stays sealed. Otherwise, you get water back up in there, and same thing, you got mold going on. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.